Okay, so our first game is going to involve y'all rolling your dice, and then whenever you have your two numbers, you're going to take your bigger number, and then you're going to subtract your smaller number from it, and then whatever the difference is, you will then find that on your little strip right here. So like how this is 5 and 1, 5 minus 1 is 4, and so then you would take one little square away from 4. And so you're going to complete this, or do that, until you have no more things left, if that makes sense.
Okay. Well, I can't do that. Yeah, where's that one?
So how did you solve that?
So when I rolled a 2 and a 1, so just take 1 away from the 2, and I got a 1, so I took 1 square away from the 1.
Okay, good thinking.
Why can I not think of this?
Am I doing this wrong?
Wait, you add them?
You
We
subtract them.
them.
So this would be
I was
3 minus 2.
I was doing that all wrong.
Okay, so what do I do if I get 4 minus 1, but I'm out of 3? Just roll again?
Yeah.
So 4 minus 2.
Awesome, Taylor. How did you figure out that 4 minus 2 is 2?
Because I see there's 2 and 2, so if you take away 2, there's 2 more.
Oh, good job. Do you think you could figure it out another way?
Yeah, maybe by using my fingers.
Mm-hmm.
At 4, and I take away 2. That's
By
2.
using your fingers. That's a good way to figure that one out. Ooh, that seems a hard one. How did you figure out that 6 minus 2 is 4?
So there's 2 dots right here, and I just saw those other 2 dots, so I took those away and I got 4.
Stop.
So you had the 6 dots here, and then you had the 2, and so you took 2 away from that 6, and then you got left with 4.
Mm.
Awesome. Do you think you could have solved it a different way?
I don't know.
You don't know? Oh, that's fine. Sorry. Class is in session. Okay, well, you guys have done a fantastic job with that game. And so now we're actually going to move on to our next game. And this game is kind of similar, like, kind of like bingo, how you want to get 4 of these in a row on our grid. So what you're going to do is that you're going to have your dice, and then you're going to roll it, or you only need 1 actually, and then you're going to roll your dice, and if you get 5, you're going to add 1 more to 5, and then whatever that answer is, you will take a square and put it on there. The goal is to get 4 in a row. You can either go up and down, side to side, or like diagonally. Okay?
Okay.
So here we go. You can have 1 dice, and then you can just use your counters for whenever you, for your squares. Good job, Taylor. How'd you know that 7 was 1 more than 6?
I counted on 1
You
more.
counted on. So how did you count on? What did you do?
In my head, I knew that 6 plus 1, or 1 more from 6 is 7.
Okay, good job. You guys are doing such a good job. I'm so proud of you.
Thanks.
How did you know that 3 is 1 more than 2? Like, what happened in your head?
I just added 1 to it. And
Okay.
I just got 3. Like 1, 2, 3.
Mm-hmm. Do you think you could have solved it a different way?
No.
Okay. Oh, it seems like you guys are almost there.
Another thing.
And I got
Oh,
4.
4 in a row. Good job, you guys. Give yourself a pat on the back.